It's that time of year again, apple picking season. And there are a number of good reasons why you'll want to fill a basket. Not only do apples taste delicious on their own or when added to dishes, but they come loaded with health benefits. Apples have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved gut health and reduced risk of stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and some cancers, says Jessica Levinson, RDN, a culinary nutrition expert in Westchester, New York. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, a medium-sized apple is a good source of fiber. It contains 4.8 grams of the nutrient. The same apple is also a good source of vitamin C, offering 9.2 milligrams, along with small amounts of other vitamins and minerals. Sarah Gold Anslovar, RDN, the Boston-based owner of Sarah Gold Nutrition, suggests adding the fruit to salads or to a grilled cheese, making baked apples for a healthy dessert, or cooking up some pulled chicken with apples in the slow cooker for an easy lunch or dinner. All apples offer benefits, though the nutrition and antioxidant content will vary slightly from one apple to another. The best one to eat is the kind you enjoy, says Anslovar. Here's why else the phrase, an apple a day helps keep the doctor away, may have some truth to it. 1. Apples may lower high cholesterol and blood pressure. Savor a juicy apple and you may help keep your ticker healthy in the process. Studies have linked apple consumption with reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, which may be related to the cholesterol-lowering benefits of the soluble fiber found in apples, says Anslovar. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like material, according to Mayo Clinic. According to the University of Illinois, soluble fiber helps prevent cholesterol buildup in the lining of blood vessel walls, therefore lowering the incidence of atherosclerosis, restricted blood flow in the arteries due to plaque buildup, and heart disease. It can also help lower blood pressure levels. One past review found that a higher intake of soluble fiber was associated with a decreased risk of cardiovascular disease. Past research shows that eating apples, or pears, regularly was associated with a 52% lower stroke risk. Furthermore, a study published in February 2020 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating 2 apples a day helped study participants lower both their LDL, bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 2. Eating foods with fiber, including apples, can aid digestion. You've likely heard that fiber is good for digestion, and what you've heard is true. According to the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, both types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, which means it can't be absorbed in water, are important for digestion. And you're in luck, apples have both types, according to the University of Illinois. Soluble fiber helps slow down digestion, allowing you to feel full, and also slows the digestion of glucose, which helps control your blood sugar. Meanwhile, insoluble fiber can help move food through your system and aid with constipation and regularity, per Harvard. Be sure to eat the apple skin, which contains much of the apple's insoluble fiber, according to the University of Illinois. 3. Apples can support a healthy immune system. Who doesn't want a stronger immune system going into autumn? Apples can be an important tool in your immune-supporting toolkit. According to past research in animals, a diet filled with soluble fiber helped convert immune cells that were pro-inflammatory into anti-inflammatory and immune-supporting ones. Another animal study, published in May 2018 in the journal Immunity, found that a diet high in dietary fiber helped protect mice against the flu. It's not clear whether these effects would occur in humans, though. Still, there's reason to believe that apples may bolster immunity, in part because they contain immune-boosting vitamin C. One past large review found that regular consumption of vitamin C plays many roles in helping the immune system function. For example, it can help strengthen the epithelial, a type of tissue, barrier against pathogens and guard against environmental oxidative stress, such as pollution and radiation, according to past research. 4. Apples are a diabetes-friendly fruit. If you have type 2 diabetes, consider adding apples to your diet. Sure, they are a fruit, but it's a common misconception that people with diabetes can't eat fruit. In this case, apples' soluble fiber can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and may improve blood sugar levels, Mayo Clinic notes. Plus, per Mayo, a healthy diet that includes insoluble fiber can lower your odds of developing type 2 diabetes in the first place. Furthermore, a study of people with type 2 diabetes, published in August 2016 in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine, found that regularly consuming soluble fiber helped reduce insulin resistance and improved blood sugar and triglyceride levels. 5. The antioxidants in apples may play a role in cancer prevention. While there's no one surefire way to prevent cancer, apples may help play a role in fighting off these diseases. Apples may reduce the risk of certain cancers, which researchers speculate is related to the antioxidants found in apples, says Anslovar. Past research suggests that apples are high in antioxidants, and in laboratory studies, these antioxidants have been shown to limit cancer cell growth. A review published in October 2016 in Public Health Nutrition found that eating apples regularly is associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including colorectal, oral cavity, esophageal, and breast cancers. The fiber in apples may provide cancer-preventing perks. A study published in March 2016 in the journal Pediatrics found that women who ate more high-fiber foods during adolescence and young adulthood, especially lots of fruits and vegetables, had a lower breast cancer risk later in life. And another study, published in January 2019 in the journal The Lancet, found that a diet high in dietary fiber could help protect against colorectal cancer and breast cancer, as well as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. 6. Eating apples can support healthy weight loss. A diet rich in fruit and vegetables can help you maintain a healthy weight, or shed pounds, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Because apples are filled with dietary fiber, they are high on this list. Fiber slows digestion and the rise of blood sugar, keeping you satiated and less likely to overeat, says Levinson. According to that study in The Lancet, people who ate the most fiber had a significantly lower body weight. Past research shows that overweight women who ate 3 apples a day lost 1.22 kg, 2.7 pounds, after 12 weeks. At only 95 calories for a medium-sized apple, this fruit is one you'll want to keep on hand when sweet cravings strike, all the more reason to check out your local farmer's market, plan a day out apple picking, or get planting.